Well, today we're going to do a simple cook, which is going to be my Monday night supper because my long cook over the weekend got canceled. What I've got here is a Teres major, or a petite tender, or a fake tenderloin. And what it is, it's just a little muscle that comes out of the cow shoulder. I've been wanting to get my hands on it because I hear they're pretty good. So this one here comes from Porter Road. As always, there's links below. Go order you one. It'll make me a little money and I can keep making videos. We're going to keep it simple with seasoning. We're just going to hit it with salt on all sides. That's it. Let's get her straight for your viewing pleasure and get outside and fire up this PK grill. We're going to be using Fogo lump because that's what I like, the old Fogo. And we're going to get her lit. And once that chimney's good and hot, we're going to pour it in this here firebox that I got built by my buddies down at the burn shop in Texas. Yeah, and I noticed I got the grill backwards because I want to show off the grate that they also built me at the burn shop. Look at that little logo. Alrighty, well that's coming up to temp. We're going to make us a little baste, and all that is a half a stick of butter, 1 clove of garlic, and just a smidgen of Lee and Perrins. Pretty simple. Like I said, this is going to be a simple cook. Now all we got to do is get it out here on the grill. So we're going to get this butter start melting. We don't want to burn it, so once it gets good and liquefied, we'll put it over here on the non-hot side. We're going to hit this grate with a little bit of oil. And it's running about 550 degrees. So we're going to put this steak down. We're going to run it for 2.5 minutes and then flip. And there she is. We're going to run it 2.5 more minutes. Then we're going to add our butter mixture and we're going to let it set for 30 seconds. And when that 30 seconds is up, let's flip her. And that's more of the sear that I was looking for. Once we get her flipped, we're going to add a little bit more of the butter to this side and run 30 more seconds. That's pretty much the cook. You got to give her a little twisty twirl there just to soak up some of that butter. We'll check it. We're sitting right at 119 degrees, so I'm going to pull her. I hear that's a good temperature for this here steak. And there you have it. A good looking fake tenderloin. And as always, we've got a rest, so about 10 minutes worth will be plenty. So we're just going to walk to the side, come back, and there we have it. Yep, look at them juices rolling out. You know it's going to be good. Now time for that reveal shot. Here we have it. Here's what 119 degrees looks like. Perfect. The way that any man should eat his steak. And look at the moisture in that thing. Alrighty, so now it's time for me to figure out if it's worth eating. Give me one little piece sliced off. And what I'm going to do here is I've been playing around with some salt. So here I've got a hickory smoked flaky salt that I'm going to use. You know, if you're real nice, we may put some on the website. I'm going to give her a little sprinkle. And I always see all these cool YouTube guys using chopsticks. So I got my chopsticks out. And man, let me tell you, I know why it's called the petite tender. Because it is just like a miniature tenderloin, the filet. This 14-day dry aged, it's got just that right dry aged flavor. The tenderness, that smoked salt. I'm telling you, this is a lot cheaper than tenderloin and just as good. So that's it. I got to eat supper now. So give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, however you want to do it. Mojo is out. Mojo's back. Mojo forgot his supper. Mojo is